3, 2, 1.
Which ocean has the highest average temperature? The answer is D, Atlantic Ocean. Which flag has a red background with a white cross? The answer is A, Swiss flag. Which of the following describes Confucius? The answer is D, Chinese philosopher. In which game would you find the city Sandhawk? The answer is B, pub. What is the prevailing Christian denomination in the U.S. state of Virginia? The answer is B, Baptists. Who wrote The Ascent of Everest? The answer is B, Sir John Hunt. Which language has a script based on the Latin alphabet? The answer is D, Portuguese. Which economic term refers to the reduction of business activity? The answer is A, recession. What organ absorbs about 90% of the water you ingest? The answer is B, small intestine. What African-American actor starred as Sidney Dean in the 1992 movie White Men Can't Jump? The answer is A, Wesley Snipes. In Getting Greg's Goat, an episode of The Brady Bunch, Greg steals the goat Raquel, mascot of which rival school? The answer is C, Coolidge High School. Actress Gwyneth Paltrow is the daughter of which Emmy and Tony Award-winning actress? The answer is D, Blythe Danner. What does Hans from Oscar Wilde's fairy tale The Devoted Friend do for a living? The answer is A, he's a gardener. Which actor played the skipper on the cult sitcom Gilligan's Island? The answer is D, Alan Hale. In a right triangle, if hypotenuse is 13 and one leg is 5, what is the length of the other leg? The answer is C, 7.5. Internal body fluids link exchange surfaces to what else? The answer is A, body cells. Which molecule carries genetic information in a virus? The answer is B, RNA. What contributes the most to beach erosion? The answer is D, wave action. What is a can opener used for in the kitchen? The answer is D, opening cans. All chemical reactions require what to get started? The answer is A. Activation energy. In the opening scene of the movie Forrest Gump, Forrest is sitting on a bench waiting to catch a bus in what southern U.S. city? The answer is C. Savannah. On Harry Potter's cousin's birthday, which type of snake did Harry free at the zoo by making its glass cage disappear? The answer is A. Boa constrictor. What Golden Globe Award did the series House win in 2006? The answer is C. Best Actor in a Television Series Drama. What is the term for the hard, round object produced within the mantle of a living shelled mollusk? The answer is A. Pearl. If you received all of the gifts in the 12 days of Christmas, how many would you receive altogether? The answer is B. 364. What movie involving cataclysmic events and starring John Cusack was intentionally released on Friday, November 13, 2009? The answer is A. 2012. The freezing point of nitrous oxide is minus 91 degrees C. Which of the following statements best describes the effect on the particles in liquid nitrous oxide as its temperature is lowered to minus 91 degrees C? The answer is A. The speed of the particles decreases. Who did Lily want to marry back when she was a little girl in the 2003 movie The Fighting Temptations? The answer is D. Michael Jackson. The fact that water in a reservoir is elevated above the ground means that it has what kind of energy? The answer is D. Potential. What is the first widely used computer virus called?
The answer is B. Brain.
What animal is also known as the ship of the desert? The answer is A. Camel. Foliation, which forms layers in rocks during metamorphism, is caused by what? The answer is D. Pressure. What regulates homeostasis and basic survival behaviors? The answer is A. Hypothalamus. What was the nickname of Betty Horn, who played left field for the Rockford Peaches in the movie A League of Their Own? The answer is D. Betty Spaghetti. On the study of the smallest particles, what is it? The answer is C. Quantum physics. What is the reason that Officer Charlie Balegate's Jim Carrey develops a split personality in the 2000 comedy Me, Myself, Irene? The answer is A. He has suppressed his anger all his life. The Great Barrier Reef is found in which country? The answer is C. Indonesia. Which part of the reproductive process only contributes one set of chromosomes? The answer is C. Sperm. What does the French word merci mean? The answer is B. Thank you. What is the name of the capital city of the U.S. state of Wisconsin? The answer is B. Madison. Who is known as the father of the revolution in Egypt? The answer is B. Gamal Abdel Nasser. Which gas is not a component of water vapor? The answer is D. Helium. The Amazon rainforest is located primarily in which country? The answer is A. Brazil. What body part are you said to have in the door if you're lucky, and in the grave if you're not? The answer is A. A foot. Whiter Church is the literal translation of the title of a soap opera from which country? The answer is B. Belgium. In what country was the goldfish first domesticated? The answer is C. China. Which of these singers never recorded albums with Black Sabbath in the period 1968–2008? The answer is A. Joe Lynn Turner. Which of the following represents the solution for x when subtracting 4 from both sides of the inequality 6x plus 420? The answer is B. 6x less or equals 16. What university/college did Theodore Roosevelt attend? The answer is B. Harvard. Which river flows through Canada and Alaska?